Hey everybody, Papa Paint here. Hope you're having a great day. For beginner painters and seasoned painters, just some couple good tips to help everybody. Number one, color match. Make sure you do a spray out card on the colors you're going to do. You'll know exactly what it's going to look like when it's done. Don't wait till you're done painting the car and untape it and go, wow, that didn't match. It happens so often. After you do your color match card, you keep the paint coat on it. That way you'll always have it. Every car that comes in that is that color, you'll know exactly how it matches. Second, make sure your guns are clean at all times. Every time you're done using it, make sure you clean it thoroughly. You don't want no buildup in the cap or the tip. Make sure they're beautiful shape. It's like these guns are getting older, but if that gun's not spraying, it's like having a broken arm. This gun is an extension of your arm. If it doesn't work, you're not going to paint. Nothing's going to come out. I even have another older gun here. I keep them clean at all times. Cap, fluid needles, the inside, keep them clean. That is a big thing with spray painting. Third, make sure you're clean. If you have animals at home, cats, dogs, you'll get hair on you, you'll have lint on you. Make sure you are clean before you go into paint booth. Fourth, make sure the paint booth is clean because you want it to come out nice. Make sure you blow it out every now and then. Keep the walls clean, keep the floor clean. If you have a dirty booth, you're going to have dirt in the paint. Don't leave your air hose lay on the floor because you'll get dirt that hangs around the top. As you're painting, it's going to go into the paint. Fifth, make sure you wax and grease remover your car. Make sure there's no contaminants so when you paint, you're not getting fish eyes. Blow your car off after you wax and grease it to make sure you don't have no lint on it. And last of all, tack it off. Everything will work out great. You'll make sure you don't have no dirt or lint. And then before you clear it, tack it again. Make sure you didn't pick up nothing. It was really going to help you. And I hope this helps everybody out there. That's all I'm trying to do is to help people get excellent paint jobs the first time. Have a great day.